Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 759. Title of today's lesson is the difference between help and help out. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, now help and help out can often be used interchangeably, but there are some differences in cases where one is more likely to be used than the other one. Let's continue. The first important thing to note is that help can be used with either a person or thing as the subject. However, help out, as a verb phrase, cannot be used with a thing as a subject. Only people can help out. All right, so things don't usually help out. And here's our first examples for this one. Sally helped me out by giving me a loan. Yeah, sure, that's fine, because Sally is a person, so she helped you out. The loan helped. You could just simply say that. But what you can't say is the loan helped me out. The loan is a thing, so technically that's not correct. All right, let's read the next one here. The chair helped me out to reach it. That one even sounds quite awkward. Now the chair is a thing, so the chair cannot help you out. But, it could be rephrased. You could say, you helped me out by giving me a chair to reach it, because you would be a person. Or you could say the chair helped to reach it. You could say that too. All right, and then here's another note, is many speakers feel that help out is more likely to be used when the help is more urgent or important, or if one is part of a group sharing to help someone out. So in those three situations, you're a little more likely to use help out than just help, but you probably still could use help in most of those situations. So here's our first example. Can you help me to spell that word? All right, now, this does not sound that important, maybe not even that urgent. And actually, can you help me out to spell that word? Sounds a little weird, but, I guess maybe you could even use that. But if it's less urgent, you might just simply go with help. But could you say help me out? Yeah, because you're saying you as a person. Can you help me out? My boss is coming over and I need to clean the living room in 30 minutes. Now, in this case, this is both urgent and it's probably important to you because it's your boss. You don't want him to see a dirty apartment or living room or something like that. So you might be more likely to say help out. And all right, here's our last one here. If I do this alone, it will take me over an hour. But if you can all help out, like all the people that are there, we can do this in about 15 minutes. So again, this is a group of people, and if everybody is doing a share or a part, you might be a little more likely to use help out here as well. Even though, again, these last two examples could have just been used with help too, so that it is interchangeable in that sense. Okay, anyway, I hope you got a better feel of when you might like to use help instead of help out. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.